Today, we're making a Greek-style white bean salad that's perfect for the summer and it goes extremely well with grilled meat. Let's do it. So first things first, if you have the time and you want to go the extra mile, by all means, soak the beans overnight, cook it in a flavoursome broth, and yes, it'll be marginally better. But I think it takes away from the simplicity of this dish. So I normally just use canned white beans. In this case, we're using cannellini beans. With any canned beans, it's extremely important to rinse them under cold water to get rid of the salt that's in the brine. So you are then in control of the seasoning. Now that our beans are thoroughly rinsed, we can then prepare our aromatic ingredients. First up, a bit of sweet red pepper. We're making a single serving, so of course we don't need to use the whole thing. And we just dice them relatively fine. They'll give a bit of contrasting texture to the beans and provide some very vibrant summery color. Perfect. Straight into the mixing bowl. Celery. For garnish, I like to use the inside stalks so they're a bit more tender. This is a recipe from one of our neighborhood restaurants that we love to order from, called Halepi, and it's one of my missus' favorite dishes. It's a rustic dish. I wouldn't measure, I would just eyeball. And the recipe is just a guideline. Dice some carrots, add some wonderful winter veg. You have a different dish. Don't forget the leaves. Beautiful. And then red onion or shallot, whatever you have. We'll do half of it. This will give a bit of a kick to the salad. With the red onion, I would be on the safer side because it actually has a kick. You don't want it to overpower the dish. And lemon juice. If you don't have lemon juice, you can use a bit of vinegar as well. And just because the lemon is unwaxed, we're going to add a bit of lemon zest as well. Perfect. And some extra virgin olive oil, preferably Greek, I suppose. And be generous with the olive oil, it really gives it flavor. Now, if you're eating straight away, go ahead and salt it now. If you're preparing this for barbecue or you're hosting, cling film, this will stay beautifully in the fridge for a few hours. And just before serving, you can salt it then. But for us, salt, give it a mix. Oh, I forgot the coriander. So, coriander. For me, I'm mostly using coriander stalks for this, which gives it texture and very deep flavors. If you don't like coriander, by the way, you can skip this. Now we give it a mix. You taste and you adjust the seasoning, and we can plate. Brilliant. And that's it. Incredibly refreshing salad that you can prep ahead and the whole thing prepares in 5 minutes. This is Greek-style white bean salad. I really hope you enjoy.